think it will be playing against a very nice team, very fast, with quality players. We watched them many times and we knew that they will make it difficult for us. But our experience and the players were very, very good. We knew what we were playing and we did our job. And thanks, the fans today was amazing. This is the football we want to see in India. This is the crowd. Congratulations, okay, to Shillong team and to Shillong people, to Meghalaya people also. Thank you very much for the hospitality. It was fantastic, great. Thank you. For us, it was not a derby. We were not these two brothers, There were, I think, many fans today. As I said yesterday, the heart divided in two. When we attack, they were happy. When they attack, they were happy. It was a nice day, great.
Coach, you have a toy and also yeah. So what's your comment on that? What sense of tactics or to match the speed of the Rajong team?
Well, don't forget something that first week pre-season we try to give time to every player. Second, Guillermo was sick the last 3 days. He was very weak and we didn't want to gamble with him. We knew that we have a great striker as Ella. Any one of them plays will do the job, and this is what happened. Toy was doing very, very well the last 2 games. I think he deserves to play today, and I think all the players are working very, very hard since we started. And everybody deserves, even the players who stayed in Guwahati, they deserve to play today.
We have rotated 3 goalkeepers in this tournament, and finally you are going on Gurmeet. So what's your strategy for goalkeeping? Is Gurmeet is starting in the next final game?
I don't know. I really don't know. In this moment I don't think about the final, we're just enjoying the day, and tomorrow morning we'll start thinking about the final. I think the team defensively was doing very good with all the 3 goalkeepers. We only received in 5 games one goal against us. We scored 16 goals, and that's important, and that's the work for all the team, from the attacker to the goalkeeper, and the attack from the goalkeeper to the striker. It was important for us that all the goalkeepers play, everybody, all the players to have minutes to start ISL as best as we can.
Do you think defense team has any comment on your defense team?
No, as I told you, it's not only Dinesh. There's Dinesh, there's Rashid, there's Mitchell, there's Moon, there's Reddy, there's all the players, Ali, Maya Kanan, everyone. When the team is solid defensively, it's not only the defense, it's everybody's working hard, pressing, coming together, helping one each other. That's important. Many times I read comments and say, oh, the defense is not good. It's not the defense, it's everyone is doing the job. It's like an attack. If the defenders, they're not good with the ball and they're not giving options to the players in the middle and the front, we cannot attack. It's everybody.
Good thing.
I don't understand the question. If it were no. Every game is tough, This is what happened always when you underestimate the opponent. Anyone can surprise you. We played against very good teams. Even Odisha, the reserve team was very strong. Shillong was very strong. India Army was very strong. Bodoland team, fantastic team. We played against good teams, and you can see India Army beat Jamshedpur, Shillong beat East Bengal. There is no small team when you're playing. It's 11v11, and with all the respect, it's a very good team. And we're in the final thanks to the 5 games, not only to this game. If we didn't win the other games, we couldn't arrive to the semi-final.
Coach, any visiting, did it sort of, calm your nerves and help your job?
Nice, I like the question, thank you. It's, I've been professional coach in elite since 1998. Some ones, they were not born, maybe, I played in front of a lot of crowds. It's the contrary, it makes me happy. It makes us work more. It's, as I said yesterday, the crowd is fantastic. It's a circus. We're the clowns. They're shouting, and more they shout, better we are. better we do. And I said, the problem sometimes when you play at home and you have a lot of crowd, if you're not doing well, the pressure's on you. You know, for us it's fantastic. We hope we can, all the games we go anywhere, it will be like this. Great game, great crowd, and we hope to come to Shillong to play again.
So do you think that the goal came just
Right in the wrong time? You know, the time was perfect. You know, when you start winning, it's important. You put in the pressure, and we know that Shillong is a team who likes to play counter-attack, wins the ball, runs forward very much. Then if we score first, you know, they will open totally, and that's what happened.
Do you want to play?
Yes, we want to play in any stadium in Northeast area.
Especially what about?
Fantastic. Here and also in Motherland, Kukarajat was great. You know, thank you for hospitality of both cities. It was great. We hope to play here. We're really pushing hard to play ISL here also. Always before the game, you prepare in your head, you prepare in your papers in the training things. But this is the beauty of football. A lot of things happen. And sometimes you prepare 1, 2, 3, and when the game starts, it's 4, 5, 6. And you need to change during the game the plan, the way that maybe you thought, I can change this player and put another player, or we play this way, and during the game you need to change it because it's the other team, some players get tired, the situation of the game changes. You know, a lot of things, this is the beauty of football. A lot of things happen in the game. As I said before, we love to play in front of a crowd. You know, football is done for crowd. You know, it's not done for social media. It's not done for TV. You know, as I said, we are clowns. We are in the circus. If the circus is empty, who will we make laugh? We don't know who's laughing. When we are there, everybody's shouting, everybody's insulting you, everybody's saying things to you. It makes you run more, it makes you want to play. Players, I think, many players didn't sleep, waiting for the game. Even the warm-up is supposed to start at, I think, 4:40, I think, or something like this. Everybody was ready at 4:25. We want to warm up, come on. Everybody was excited. You know, when they see the crowd, you're more excited. As I said, sometimes is the contrary. It works the contrary than what you expect. But today works on our side. Happy.
Coach, and finally, one of us.
I don't really care. Both of good teams, both of big teams. I don't care. This is why I say tomorrow we'll think about it. Today, happy, nice dinner, great shower, relax. Tomorrow we think about the final. Okay? Both coaches are my friends. Both teams are very strong teams. We know them very well, they know us very well. It will be a great final with them. Okay?
Coach, can you please explain the next?
Nestor's role is offensive midfielder. Nestor always was playing 8 and 10. Last season, we were lack of strikers. You know, then by injury, by many things. This is why we changed his role. He got criticized a lot because they were thinking that he's a striker, but he's not. He's not a striker. He scores. He's a great player, and we thank him all the work he did last year for the team. He sacrificed himself for the team, and that's important. But Nestor is not a striker. So 28 players. I expect everything from them. You know, they need to work. You know, we don't think when the player scores a goal, doesn't mean he's going to play next game. Player who doesn't score a goal doesn't mean he's going to play the next game. We don't know. It depends how we train, depends how we work, it depends on the strategy we do for the other team. It depends against who we're playing. The other, you know, sometimes a player looks himself alone. We look at all. Sometimes a player comes and say, "Oh, I worked very well." Yeah, he worked very well, but others also worked very well. You know, we need to choose the right player for the right moment, for the right game. Because like we say all the time, you cannot eat soup with a fork. Each day it's different. Okay.
My last single one is Falguni.
Falguni was sick in the last trip we did to Khublei. He got very dizzy. He came and he couldn't train very well. He went out from the training many days. He was sick, and to drive to Shillong also is not an easy road to come. You know, and even the doctor said it is better for him to stay at home and to think for things. Okay. You know, for myself, I think Duran Cup is the best place to get competition, to prepare yourself for ISL. You know, friendly game doesn't give competition. Friendly game doesn't prepare the player mentally, doesn't put him in stress. Even if you come to see our training, we try to put stress on the players, that when the game comes, it's easy. You know, I think Duran Cup is fantastic, but this is football, as I say. It's not a law. Each coach thinks differently. You know, we say if there's 150 million people watching football today, we have 150 million coaches. Each one thinks different. As I said, clean sheet, I pay dinner to the players now. I own them 2 dinners. And I say thank you very much. They could score like 1 goal, Shillong, but happy to do it.
Coach, how you got?
Great. Everybody understands. I think this is the beauty of it. We are really a family. You know, I think you can see it in all the players and all the staff and everything. Everybody's helping. We don't start any training, anything, if somebody has a doubt. We try to put a lot of images, even in the training, images that everyone understands. And if they don't understand, it's not his mistake. Okay.
Thank you.